Now, Saturday, tomorrow, is Ohio Missing Persons Day. The state attorney general is holding an event to help families of missing people. This is outside Cincinnati at the Springdale Police Department. Families can submit DNA samples, they can submit dental records, they can even meet with facial reconstruction artists. We talk with a criminal intelligence analyst about why all of those steps are so critical.
I've been involved in numerous cases now where, unfortunately, a body was located in Ohio and they had DNA on that body, but the missing, they had never taken DNA. And some of them were one county over from each other in Ohio, and it took years and years for us to connect that because it just wasn't, the DNA had never been collected.
And Jennifer Lester says her role is to help police agencies with resources like obtaining DNA, phone records, and timelines and other intelligence support. The biggest challenge, she says, is that families don't report a missing adult until it's far too late.
The least time we have to have investigative stuff done, the worse it could be. So a lot of phone companies, that kind of stuff, they might only keep records for so many months or years. So if that person isn't reported right away, we can lose out on that data.
The Attorney General's office has a program called Project Link. Out of more than 1,500 cases of missing adults and children in Ohio, families of only 280 submitted DNA that allows analysts to cross-match cases in a nationwide DNA database. Clay?
Now, one of the many cases that Jennifer works on in the Attorney General's office is on Andy Chapman's case. He disappeared in West Columbus 16 years ago. His family has never given up their search. Andy's mom says ever since 2006, her life has been a roller coaster. Her son, a young father himself, simply vanished on a cold December morning.
You put on this outward appearance that everything is fine, while inside your heart is screaming in pain because you don't know where your son is. You have no closure. And you feel like either you've done too much or you have not done enough to look for him.
Judy Rafferty says she's determined, though, to do more. The family started a social media fundraising campaign to help increase the reward to find Andy. They hope it'll go as viral as their first Facebook page created 10 years ago called Help Find Andy Chapman.
You would be amazed at how many people share our posts, and so it just goes around the world and everybody's looking. I mean, it's really helpful because you need them. The police cannot handle all that caseload. So we need all the help we can, all the outside help that we can use.
Andy's family will be taking part in tomorrow's Ohio Missing Persons Day. They say it's a chance for all families of the missing to find fellowship with each other. You can learn more about the Attorney General's Project Link program and the new campaign to find Andy Chapman by visiting 10tv.com/featured links.